So we start off today's video with a hair transformation. She takes down her bun. Looks like she has some blonde ends going here. Ooh, switches it up with this gorgeous blonde pixie style. Oh, this is so cute. Love the choppy texture she has here, complete with some bangs. Very nice transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some hot short hairstyle ideas that you can rock in 2024. So if you are thinking of going shorter this season, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, because these hairstyles are sure to amaze you. So the next hairstyle also features a pixie cut. This one features a little bit more of a rocker chic take. She's got some beautiful two-toned hair going here with the platinum at the top. And the stylist ended up creating this very chic, edgy, punker rock pixie style. I love the mohawk-inspired texture here. Really adds a lot of volume to the pixie. Very cute. So next up, we see someone with curly hair. So she went from long blonde curly hair to this gorgeous mid-length copper color. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is kind of a bit of a play on an angled bob. A little bit longer in the front, just a tad, and shorter in the back going there. This color is absolutely beautiful. Wow. And it looks like she also dyed her eyebrows to match the copper shade as well. And it kind of has a nice mix of copper, ginger. Absolutely gorgeous color work. And I really like that angle that this has as well. Really creates a lot of drama. So next up, we have someone also who has a long curly hair. Ooh, wow, loving this baby pixie. This is so cute. Beautiful baby bangs going there in the front. This is giving like 60s mod style. Very chic and edgy. And then we move on to someone who has a bob. The stylist has the clippers going here in the back. Oh, it looks like she got a nice little undercut. Very cute. And she can wear the top portion in a little mini bun, showing off the shaven nape area. Undercuts are still very much so in style. Next up, we have this beautiful pin curled pixie. These curls are just so luscious and beautiful. I love the way that it frames her face, and then she has this gorgeous sheen to her hair. Very old school Hollywood. And next up, we have something that I've been seeing circulating around for a couple of months now, and it is this anime style bob. So you cut the hair shorter, she's got the baby bangs going there in the front, and then a few pieces on the side are left long, really playing into that anime bob trend. Now, there is a particular name for this style. It's Japanese, so I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but it is a very popular hair trend, and I think that it is going to continue to grow in popularity. Definitely something different. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. She has some purple ends here. And she ends up getting another very popular hair trend that we're going to be seeing this year, and that is a shaggy pixie cut. This is a great style to try out if you're looking to add major volume to your hair. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you guys were able to find your next major haircut change that you will be rocking in 2024 after checking out this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.